Sean? Are you home? Sean? Is that you? Sean? Stop messing around, man. Is that you? Dang it, Greg!
Hey, Liam. Man, did you scare me?
I scared you?
Did I wake you up?
Yeah, you did. Do you even know what time it is? Why are you here?
Seance ended early. Seance, that's right. Anyway, you want some chicken?
Is that our dinner from Saturday?
Oh, yeah, it is. Just turned.
Greg, here's the thing. Sean and I have been talking. We think it's best you find a new place to haunt.
Wait, what? Are you serious? Sean said that.
You have this way of not really helping out around the house.
Or I took care of all the old leftovers.
Yeah, and look where that got you.
Too soon, man.
Okay, fair. But you do always leave this weird ghost residue on everything?
Okay, I'm always careful with my ectoplasm.
Were you recently in the fridge?
No?
Did you try to eat my cookies? Not to mention all the broken dishes that we have to clean up all the time. And Sean and I are getting really tired of cleaning up after Goldorf.
Oh, come on. What's wrong with Goldorf?
I mean, come on. Plus, there was that time he opened the demon portal in the living room?
Okay, sorry, that was a bummer.
Yeah, it was.
I just can't believe you guys are kicking me out.
Honestly, it's been a long time coming.
It's my ectoplasm, isn't it?
Have you seen it? It's disgusting.
That's just part of who I am, okay? I can't control it if your weird little living world reacts to me by getting goo everywhere. Or that's on Mother Earth.
Greg, it's time. Sean and I want you out by the end of the week.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Please. Really?
Yes. Yes.
What, you gonna make me do it on a Sunday? Lord's Day?
Please just don't break any dishes.
Please.
Goldorf, don't pee on